Hi, good evening everyone. Welcome to Mahanya YouTube channel. This is 7th class mathematics lines and angles line. When two points are connected with minimum distance between them and have no ends on both the sides. So line is represented as it is a straight line and extends infinitely on both sides. Next one is line segment. It is a line that has fixed endpoint on both the ends. So this is line segment. Next one is ray. It is the line that has only one fixed point and other point does not have any end. So ray is represented as like this. One side it has a arrow mark and on the other side has fixed point. Next, intersecting lines. If two lines if two lines meet at a point, they are said to be an intersecting lines. The lines two lines are intersecting each other, so then it is said to be intersecting lines. Next, transversal lines. A line that intersects two or more lines at a distinct points. So two or more lines are intersecting at a distinct points. So then it is said to be transverse line. Next, angles. An angle is a space between two rays that intersect at a point. Two rays are intersecting at a point. So at this point, so then the space between the two rays are said to be angles. Next one is acute angle. An angle that measures more than 0 degree and less than 90 degree. More than 0 degree and less than 90 degree is said to be acute angle, and this is represented as like this. The angle should be 30 degree, 45 degree, 75 degree, 60 degree, 89 degree, so on. Next one is right angle. Angle that measures exactly 90 degree. So right angle is represented like this. It should be always 90 degree. Next one, obtuse angle. An angle that measures more than 90 degree, more than 90 degree, but less than 180 degree. So this is more than 90 degree, like this. So obtuse angle maybe 91 degree, 179 degree, 160 degree. Examples 145 degree, etc. Next one is straight line. An angle that measures exactly 180 degree. So angle that measures exactly 180 degree is said to be straight line. It always a straight line. Next one is reflex angle. An angle that measures more than 180 degree and less than 360 degree. The angle more than 180 degree. 180 degree is a straight line. It is like 180 above 180 degree and below 360 degree. It may be 270 degree, 181 degree, 359 degree, 350 degree, 285 degree, etc. Next one, full angle. an angle that measures exactly 360 degree, means it is complete a rotation. When the angle starts from like this and ends at this point only, then it is 360 degree. Next, complementary angles. When the sum of the measures of two angles is 90 degree, means two angles sum is 90 degree, that is complementary angle. That is, this one is 45 degree, this one is 45 degree. Otherwise, this one is 30 degree and 60 degree. Both are said to be complementary angle. Or 25 degree, 65 degree, or 10 degree, 8 degree. It means the both angle sum is 90 degree. Then it is said to be complementary angles. Next one is supplementary angles. When the sum of measures of two angles is 180 degree. This is both two right angles are also is a supplementary angles, because 90 plus 90 is 180. Or 100, one angle is 100, other angle is 80. Or one angle is 30 degree, other angle will be 150 degree. Or one degree is one angle is 20 degree, other angle should be 160 degree. Then it is said to be a supplementary angles. Next, adjacent angles. Adjacent angles are the angles are two angles that are side by side and share common vertex and a common side. It means it is a common vertex. Vertex means one common vertex and common arm. One common arm. Then non-common arms lie on either side of the common arm. So like this. One side, one should be this side, other should be this side. This is a common vertex. This is a common arm, and the two lines, two arms are lying either side of the common arms. Then it is said to be adjacent angles. Next, linear pair. It is a pair of adjacent angles that form when two lines intersect and their sum is always 180 degree. It means it is a straight line and the two angle sum is 180 degree. We know that the straight line always has a 180 degree. This is a obtuse angle, this is a acute angles. The sum maybe the sum is always the 180 degree. The linear pair is always represented like this. Next one is vertically opposite angles. When two lines intersect, it means when two lines are intersect, the vertically opposite angles so form are equal. Then this both angles should be same. Example, if it is 80 degree, this also 80 degree. When this is 100 degree, this also 100 degree. That's it. Because the both opposite angles always same. Whatever this angle is have, it the same angle should be opposite angles. This is the example given in book. It is a transverse angle The two lines are the two lines are distanted. In this we take the interior angles. Here angle 1, angle 2, angle 3, angle 4, angle 5, 6, 7, 8. The interior angles. In this the interior angles is 3 and 4. The 3 and 4 are said to be interior angles, and 5 and 6 also are interior angles. Next, exterior angles. Exterior angles means 1. The exterior angles are 1, 5 and 7, 8. The outside angles are said to be exterior angles. Next one is pair of corresponding angles. The pair of corresponding angles were 1, 1 and 5, 2 and 6, 3 and 7, 4 and 8 are said to be corresponding angles. Next one is pair of alternate interior angles. Alternate interior angles 3, 6 and 4, 3 and 7. Pair of alternate angles 3 and 6 and 4 and 5 are said to be pair of interior angles. Next one is pair of alternate exterior angles are 1, 8 and 2, 7. These are the pair of alternate external angles. Next one is pair of interior angles on both sides of the transverse. Both sides are 3, 5 and 4, 6. They are said to be a pair of interior angles on same sides of the transverse. Thank you everyone for watching. Please subscribe.